Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspection. Did you know that your average home inspection is going to run you between $500 and $1,000? But home repairs can run up to $20, $30, $40, $50,000. Is it really worth the gamble for that $1,000 compared to a $50,000 loss? All of our inspectors walk roofs whenever it is safe, because safety is always the first and foremost priority. On today's particular roof, we got quite a bit of hail damage. You can see the pop marks, the visible fiberglass, the dents, all throughout these shingles. All throughout the entire roof. No, hail damage is not always this visible and this easy to spot. But this is why we get up on roofs, so you can see this and you can get good pictures of it.
If you enjoyed this short video, give us a like below. If there's something else you'd like to see us make a video of, just leave us a comment. If you have a question or a comment on the video itself, please feel free to put that below. If you're in the St. Louis area and looking for a home inspection, give us a call, 314-257-0040, or in the Metro East and Southern Illinois, 618-593-9631. We thank you and have a great day.